Hello guys, today I am with ASUS Zenfone 6 and I want to show you how to manage vibration in this device. So as always we have to go for the first to the settings, now enter sound and vibration, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see there's vibration option, so we can turn on, turn off, vibrate for calls, so I will leave with turn on. And also touch vibration, so if I click on this marker I will feel the vibration, and of course vibration intensity. So vibration intensity for the notification, for incoming call, and for touching the screen. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.